Warning: the actions performed in this video are for informational purposes only. We do not encourage you to do these things with your printer. We bear no responsibility for the consequences of watching this video. Is your printer giving an ink pad error? Don't panic, you can fix it yourself and for free. For this you will need adjustment program for Epson L3150. You can download this program for free at printservice.best. So, download and run the AjProg program on your Windows computer and activate the program as shown in the video. Upon successful activation, the main program window will open. Click the Particular Adjustment Mode button and in the window that appears, select your printer model, connection port and click OK. In the next window, select Waste Ink Pad Counter and click OK. The Reset Epson L3150 window will open. So, put 2 ticks and click the Check button. In this way, you will check the filling of the counters. We see that the main pad counter is filled to 100%. To reset the counter, check the box next to this item and click the Initialize button. Next, confirm all program warnings and wait for the operations to complete. After successful completion of operations, the program will show a message about the need to reboot the printer. Accordingly, reboot your printer. After turning on your printer, check the counters again to make sure the reset was successful.